You'll never throw away an orange peel again. Grab a few oranges. Their peel has valuable properties. Orange peels contain natural oils used in various products. Peel the oranges and save the skins. Next, take a medium-sized jar and place the peels inside. The next key ingredient is vinegar, which has natural properties. Pour enough vinegar to fully cover the peels and seal the jar tightly. Store the jar in a dark place for 2 weeks. Over time, the mixture will blend perfectly, leaving a pleasant citrus scent. After that, pour the liquid into a spray bottle, and you're ready to use it. This natural mixture is antibacterial and perfect for cleaning surfaces like windows and shower doors, leaving them shiny and streak-free without any harsh chemicals. What I saw on my faucet really grossed me out. I'll show you a simple home trick that removes all that dirt without scrubbing. Take a zip-top bag, it fits perfectly over the faucet and won't leak. Place the bag directly over the faucet head. Next, get some vinegar. Vinegar dissolves limescale and removes deposits that build up inside the faucet. Pour it into the bag. Then add a small amount of baking soda. Just a little is enough. The mixture will start to fizz and bubble. The baking soda reacts with the vinegar and begins breaking down the built-up grime. Turn the water on briefly so the mixture reaches the inside of the aerator as well. Then tightly secure the bag around the faucet with a rubber band so nothing leaks out. The baking soda helps remove grease and stubborn residue. Now take some aluminum foil, tear off a piece, and wrap it around the bag. This helps keep the reaction going and boosts the cleaning effect. Wait a moment. After that, remove everything, and you'll see the dirt has started to dissolve. The faucet head is clean, unclogged, and works like new. It's the fastest and easiest way to get rid of dirt and limescale from a faucet. Remember to clean your faucet regularly. Pour a little olive oil on your faucet, and the limescale will slide right off, preventing new buildup for up to 4 weeks. This is a trick every homemaker should know. Limescale and residue on faucets or in the shower are a common problem, especially in areas with hard water. Hard water contains high amounts of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron, which settle on surfaces and create stubborn stains. That's why regular cleaning and proper care are so important. Before applying olive oil, wipe the faucet with a damp cloth. This step is essential, otherwise the oil won't work. Then dry it thoroughly with a towel. Now it's time for the olive oil. Don't pour it directly onto the faucet. Instead, use a piece of paper towel, put a small amount of olive oil on it, and rub it into the surface of the faucet, shower handle, or flush button. Keep rubbing until there's no greasy layer left. This way, water won't cling to the surface, and limescale, streaks, and residue won't return. With this method, your bathroom will stay shiny and spotless. Enjoy cleanliness and freshness for a long time. This is how you remove all dirt from your shower cabin. This powder works like magic dust to clean limescale and buildup. Don't use chemical cleaners when homemade methods work best. First, spread regular baking soda over the glass doors. Then take a lemon cut in half, add some extra baking soda onto the lemon. Rub the glass with the lemon where there is dirt and buildup. Lemon dissolves limescale. Baking soda removes dirt and acts as a gentle abrasive. It will gently break down and remove the buildup. Leave it for about 15 minutes. Then wipe the glass with a cloth soaked in warm water. Remove part of the mixture with the cloth. To leave the glass sparkling clean, use a simple dustpan. Thanks to its rubber edge, it works like a squeegee. Just wipe away the excess, and your glass cabin will be cleaner than ever before. Stains and marks on the walls disappear in 2 seconds. This trick works like a magic eraser. Instead of reaching for a roller and paint, try this ridiculously simple method. It's a home hack that will bring freshness back to your walls in seconds, and the result will truly surprise you. The best part? It leaves no streaks, doesn't damage the paint, and requires no scrubbing. Pour 4 parts water into a small bowl. Add 1 part of this household liquid. This solution works great on stubborn stains. I'll tell you in a moment what the liquid is. Mix everything until smooth, dip a clean microfiber cloth into it, and gently wipe the stained area. Right as you begin to wipe the wall, you'll notice the stains start to disappear. No trace, no smudge left behind. The wall dries quickly, and you can forget it was ever dirty. Wondering what tackled those wall stains so effectively? It's not some fancy store-bought cleaner. It's something you usually add to laundry to make clothes soft and smell good. Fabric softener not only cleans incredibly well, it also leaves a fresh, pleasant scent and makes the whole room feel clean and refreshed. It's one of those tricks you learn once and end up recommending to everyone. Put the wooden kitchen utensils into a pot. My grandmother showed me this trick. Take a medium-sized pot. Fill the pot halfway with water, then place the wooden kitchen utensils inside and bring the water to a boil. Let them boil for about 5 minutes. During this time, you will notice how all the dirt comes out of them. Wooden kitchen utensils are resistant to mechanical damage, which allows them to last for many years. However, if they are not properly cared for, they can become a breeding ground for bacteria. After 5 minutes, take the utensils out of the water, then dry them with a towel. To keep the utensils functional and looking good for a long time, you should regularly coat them with oil. It can be food-grade oil. Put a few drops onto a paper towel and thoroughly rub the wooden kitchen utensils. This will protect them from moisture and cracking, and it will also keep them in good condition for a long time. Homemade grout cleaner recipe. In just a few minutes, your grout will look like new. This method is highly effective and inexpensive. The results are fantastic. Start by pouring 1 50 milliliter measure of dishwashing liquid into a bowl. Then, add the same amount of baking soda. Next, include 1 measure of hydrogen peroxide. Finally, pour in 200 milliliters of regular water. Mix everything until the ingredients are fully combined. Use a funnel to transfer the mixture into a bottle. One with a small dispenser works best for precise application on grout lines. Grout tends to collect dirt, mold, and dust. Its rough surface makes cleaning it challenging and time-consuming. Apply a layer of this cleaner to the dirty grout. For best results, lightly scrub the lines. Afterward, wipe the floor with a damp cloth and leave the grout to dry. Once it's dry, you'll see a huge difference. The grout will regain its original color and be free of mold and grime. This thorough cleaning costs only a few dollars and saves time. I do this every few months, and my bathroom always looks like new.